Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako po si Brian Luis Mendoza. Ito po ang ating daily devotion ngayong araw, March 12, 2025. So ngayong araw po natin tutuloy natin si research sa 7 nation. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about the exam. So do not tapos in 1. Nandyan po pa bakit, Lord? Now, ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay magkagaling sa Colossians chapter 1 verse 17. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po, He is before all things, and in Him all things hold together. So ngayon upang mas maunawaan natin ang ating talata at upang mas maintindihan natin kung anong kinalaman nito sa ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings upang mas maintindihan natin kung anong topic natin for today. So una po, na teaching God is actively involved in the world. So ang ating Diyos po, hindi lamang siya observer, hindi siya passive observer. So, He is continuously engaged sa lahat ng aspeto ng ating buhay. So, mapabagay man yan na nakikita natin or mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita, kasama siya dyan, kasama ang ating Panginoon. So, He is, kumbaga siya yung ng mga events, ginagay niya yung mga decisions natin, and He is working towards the best for us. So, ikalawa po, God is our Father who sent His Son for us. So, God's fatherly love for us is evident in the sacrifice of His Son, which is si Jesus Christ po. So, ating Panginoon Kristo, He came to restore yung relationship natin with God, wherein it demonstrates the depth of God's love and yung desire niya for us to be reconciled to Him. Ikatlo po, God is working for the good of those who love Him. So, even sa mga moments po na mahirap, we can be confident that God is working on everything out for the ultimate good of those people who love and follow Him. Kasi yung plano niya, it is always for our benefit, even if we don't understand them in the moment. So ngayon po, natakan po natin yung mga teachings natin for today. Ngayon naman po tayo pwede ako sa ating mga application. So ano po, fear not, for God is actively working. So, because God is actively involved sa ating mga buhay, wala po tayong reason para matakot po tayo sa mga challenges na nakaharap natin. So, dapat we can confidently face yung mga bagay na ito because He is in control, working behind the scenes to bring about His perfect plan for us. Ikalawa po, fight harder for the battle. For the battle is the Lord's. So, in life's struggles po, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But we must remember that the ultimate victory belongs to God. So kapag may mga kinakaharap po tayong problema, we don't fight alone because God is fighting with us. And last but not the least, focus on God, for He makes all things beautiful in His time. So, mga difficult moments po natin, it is important to keep our focus on God. Magtiwala po tayo sa Kanya even when things seems out of place, because in His perfect timing, He will bring beauty and purpose from every solution or every situation. So, marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.